Hi, my name is April South, and this is my final project for Engineering 267 with Dr. Aboy. So let's get started. My scope has square wave, sine, sawtooth, triangular, DC. It has uniform and Gaussian noise. I have a noise level adjustment here, and that noise is on all of the waveforms. I have a trace intensity adjustment. I have readouts of amplitude and frequency, Vmax, Vmin, mean, and peak to peak. I also have my seconds per division adjustment and my volts per division adjustment. I have a trigger, measurement cursors, for the X and Y axis, and that reads out right here. E control, and of course amplitude and frequency. Frequency goes all the way up to 20 kilohertz. And I can save a screenshot of this waveform in my spectrum analyzer. And I can also save that waveform. And I also have the ability to save this data. And that's it. Thank you for watching.